Welcome back to my channel. As most of you know, if you watched my last couple videos, I had a temporary intro in there. Well guys, that intro, well, some of it will stay and I'll get to that later, but it's out of here. That's what we're doing today. We're out here to make a new intro, and I need to keep it at least 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, that long. Maybe 6 seconds at the most. And I want to do the intro of what we do best. I'm going to be doing the intro shots with my gimbal stabilizer. If you guys ever wonder what this is, let me pull off what I call the diaper. It's not on right now, but that's my gimbal stabilizer. And that will be better. And I'm up here, Gladys Russell, and I have my daughter with me. And Angie and Kitt, which we'll be getting in the intro as well. I'm up here because right now I'm going to do the woods shot, the wilderness shot. Basically what Angie and I do mostly on our videos, I do vlogs obviously, but what we like to do is our adventures. And our adventures could be anywhere from fishing, which I got that this morning. It could be anywhere from going to hiking. It could be going to graveyards. So what I'm aiming to get is us coming out of a trail. I want to get a little bit of Kitt on there. I got the fishing one this morning, me casting out. I need to get a graveyard scene, and I want to get a scene of the Defiant going down the a country road somewhere. And I want to try to put all these in and not overdo 6 seconds. All right, guys, let me go ahead and get my... I'm going to be doing many different scenes. When I get to the editing board, I will figure out which ones to use. Right now, I'm going to see if my daughter will help us getting us coming out of the woods. Then I get a little bit of Kitt on there. And by the way, this will have Kitt in it. As far as his barking goes, maybe down the road, the reason I can't do that is because I would need to bring my green screen out to match it to what I did with Stormy. But Stormy's still going to be in here, because in between scenes on my videos, I will throw Stormy's bark in. Yeah, it's permanent. All right, guys, let me go ahead and put you all away. We're going to get this, then we'll go to the next location. I see you somewhere else. Okay, we're at the next location, the graveyard scene. I'm actually at a graveyard I've never been to. Yeah, I may have to come back and do this graveyard justice, because honestly, it's quite beautiful. Let me show you real quick, and then I'll go ahead and get started. We passed this up multiple times, but for some weird reason, Angie kept saying, I never want to come here and venture in. I'm going to probably zigzag a little bit over there. I'm going to get about maybe a second or two. And what? This wasn't the cemetery we wasn't going to check. That's what I just said. We weren't going to, because I didn't want to. Did we? Well, why haven't we checked this one? Because it's in such a blind spot that we kept passing it before we got to it. Oh, gotcha. Okay. All right. I'm going to probably get, I don't know, something over here, and I figure it out when I do the editing. Yeah. See, the whole idea is to get a bunch of stuff as I can. Then when I go to the editing, I use the best I can. I'm going to have to get more Kitt too, because, oh, he's not an easy one to get. Trust me. I thought that would be easy, but it's not. All right, guys. Let me get this hair off this, and let me get started. And I'll see you at the next location. Well, it looks like we're going to be here a few minutes longer. They're over here exploring. I will come back here and do this graveyard justice. Someday I will. I promise you that. Let's see, we got the fishing. I wish I would have got more takes on that. We got coming out of the woods. I hope that works. I hope it ain't too dark. I had to get my daughter's help on that. We did get Kitt, which I am going to try to get more takes on that. We got a graveyard shot. Now I'm going to get a shot of the Defiant going down a country road, which I wouldn't even to drive for that. And I need to get more shots for Kitt. The whole idea is not to make this intro any longer than 6, maybe 7 seconds. And then the hardest part comes. I got to find some type of sound to put with it. And the sound I have to 100% make myself. It can't be anything that I get off the internet or anything that could be considered copyright in the future. It has to be 100% I come up with. I was hoping to use a lot of birds twerping and stuff, but honestly, I don't know where I could get that at. That's what I was hoping. Or something. I need something that's soothing. What I love to have is some guitar rhythm, a rhythm of a rock and roll song, but that ain't gonna happen. All right, guys, I'm gonna get them motivated, and God, there's a beautiful old grave right there. Oh, I gotta get up here sometime and do this graveyard justice. All right, guys, on to the next location, and not sure what back road I'm using. I have no idea. Morning fog. Great day to fish. Oh, straighten the camera up, Michael. You're not on your gimbal. I'm fishing this morning. If you can see me, I'm also here to, well, this is the first take of the new intro. Yeah. I'm going to be up, and that's Angie, hollering at Kitt. But yeah, we're morning fishing, and I'm half asleep still.
No digging.
Yeah, I'm feeling like poo. I didn't get no sleep at all last night. And driving up here was freaking nuts. My God, you couldn't see any further than, I'm guessing, 30 feet from your car, maybe 20 because of the fog. All right, guys. I'm going to try to get my head out of my butt. No. Okay, we just did the final scene. I got some more Kitt. I'm hoping I can make something out of these videos to put it in a 6 or 7 sequence for an intro. Next big thing is try to come up with sounds that would sound halfway decent. The whole idea, what I just did, believe it or not, has been in the making in my mind for 1.5 years. I just now did it. I wanted to make a new intro for the longest time, way before Stormy passed on. I wanted to make an intro of the things that we do: fishing, hiking, adventurous, you know, the graveyards. I wish I could have got a few more in there, but guys, I don't want the intro too long, because too long of an intro kills the video. I am down here at Waterway Park. This is not where I want to do the car intro, but for safety reasons, we picked this. And I hope I got a decent one. Yeah, there's my daughter and my wife. We're gonna hit some back roads after this and call it a night. The thing I wish I probably could have done better was the fishing one this morning, and I hope I got Kitt pretty good on these shots. But guys, this is it right here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get sound for this. It may take a while. I don't know. You know, we went when we was at the last place. Actually, we didn't get no video there at all. We pulled in to a wildlife refuge. Circumstances, it was just too many people to do what I wanted to do, but there was a lot of crow sounds. How bad would that sound to have an intro with tons of crows making their music? I don't know. That's fitting to me. Crows and ravens. It's beautiful. And as far as Stormy goes, that will be in all my videos still, but it's going to be in between takes. In other words, I would throw her in between takes in the middle of the video. That way I have the intro that represents Angie and I and Kitt, and still Stormy. We'll work it out somehow, guys. Until next time, thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below. And this might be all for poo. I may have to do every bit of this all over again if I don't like what I see when I go to the editing. And I won't be doing that for about a day or so. Until then, until next time, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. I'm hot. I'm tired. I'm only operating on at the most 2 hours of sleep. If you ever want to know about that, I'll leave it down in the comments. All right, catch you then. Bye. I hope you didn't turn this video off yet. It is about a day or two later, and I am working on the sound part. I did get some crow sounds, so I'm going to try to put that into the intro along with Kitt's barking somehow. So wish me luck, and if everything goes out, you should see it in the video. I'm presenting how I done all this. All right, we'll see you. We'll see you soon, guys. Thanks. Hope you like. You gotta let me know something down there.